Casey Anthony trial, and after 33 days of testimony, now only closing arguments are left before the jury decides Casey Anthony's fate.
She faces a first-degree murder charge in the death of her 2-year-old daughter. News Channel 5's Caryolyn Scofield is in Orlando with the latest.
No court here today, but it was not a day off for the attorneys involved in this case. Both sides spent their Saturday preparing their closing arguments, which begin early tomorrow morning. The state is trying to prove that Casey Anthony murdered her 2-year-old daughter after first subduing her with chloroform and then suffocating her with duct tape. The defense still claims that Kaylee drowned in the family pool and that Casey and her father, George Anthony, buried the body. Now, there was no actual cause of death ever determined in this case. The state had witnesses testify that they found chloroform in Casey's car along with duct tape on Kaylee's remains. The defense never had anyone take the stand, though, to talk about that theory of drowning or also their claims that George Anthony molested Casey when she was a child. Now, the final witnesses that the state called up yesterday cast doubt in Cindy Anthony's claims that she was the one looking up terms on the family's computer.
In this instance, it would have been neck and a space and breaking. This is not the result of a pop-up, but is the result of a human being specifically entering neck and breaking into the Google search box and pressing search.
The closing arguments begin tomorrow morning at 9. The jury could begin deliberating on this beginning tomorrow afternoon. Reporting at the Orange County Courthouse in Orlando, Caryolyn Scofield, WPTV News Channel 5.
You can see the verdict live when it happens here on News Channel 5. And a reminder, you can follow tweets from the Anthony trial, and you don't have to be on Twitter to do so. Just go to our website, WPTV.com. Our live updates from inside the courtroom are on our homepage. And be sure to stick with News Channel 5 for complete coverage of the Casey Anthony murder trial. Again, we'll have continuing coverage of closing arguments, deliberations, and the verdict on air and online at WPTV.com.